Hello, what I'd like to do today is tell you how to make your cheap painting board very good, because maybe you thought you might ride a board and then it turns out the board is crappy, or you buy the brand name and it costs like $1 million to get it. So when you buy a board and it's cheap, it comes with these bearings that aren't very good. They're very bad, crappy and bad. They barely roll. I changed this bearing earlier. Look at that fly. So I will show you today how to fix this crappy and turn it to good. Okay, the only tools you will need are a socket wrench. I use 13 millimeters for my bolts. I do not know what that means in inches. And you will need the trucks themselves to pry out the bearings that were already in the wheel. That's it. If anyone tries to tell you you need special tool, they are ripping you off. So this is what I use. I believe the brand name is called Big Red. They are very good. They roll no problem. So let me show you how to take it off. All you need to do is take your socket and twist like this until it gets loose. You take it off, no problem. Now when you take the wheel off, there will be a tiny washer. Keep the washer. You're going to need when you put new bearing on. Okay, then we just take the truck and the washer, or the bearing, and we pry it out. Okay, pry like you mean it, and it comes out no problem. This thing is called a spacer. You also need to keep that for spacing your bearings when you put the new bearings on. Okay, and the same with the other side, although you can just push it out. Push it out. So this one, all we need to do, put back, is to shove the new bearing, the Big Red bearing, in the hole, like so. You just push until it's there. Then you take your spacer from before, you put that in the hole, no big deal. Then you put the other bearing on the other side, so 2 bearings per wheel. There we go, nice and easy. Now this is the tricky part. When you put it back on, you have to get that spacer to line with the holes so it slides perfectly like that. That's all you need though. Mine happened to work, but you might need to move your little spacer around. Okay, very good. Now I put on bolt. Switch to Tighten. You make sure to use the washer from before. Much faster. I'm pretty happy with that. Makes a weird noise, but that might just be dirt. Now you fly down the road like Superman.